Are certified Egyptian cotton bedsheet sets worth the price point? I had a pretty great Egyptian cotton bedsheet set that I used for several years until it had holes in it, and that's when I started looking at other bedsheet sets, which is exactly when I realized that the Egyptian cotton bedsheet set that I had was barely Egyptian cotton at all. Trust me, I did literally hours and hours of research before deciding on getting this bedsheet set, and it turns out that majority of the Egyptian cotton bedsheet sets that you see out there either contain a very small amount of Egyptian cotton and then are supplemented by cheaper materials like polyester, or they don't contain any Egyptian cotton at all, and it's just marketed as Egyptian cotton because Egyptian cotton is universally recognized as the most comfortable fabric you can get in a bedsheet set. Especially if you see a product that says it's 1,000 thread count or so, I would be very, very careful while buying that, because most likely the threads are not Egyptian cotton for one, and two, incredibly thin and very, very likely to rip. In order to tell whether or not a bedsheet set is real certified Egyptian cotton, you should look for an accredited gold seal from the Cotton Egypt Association, which is an organization in Egypt that verifies the authenticity of Egyptian cotton in bedsheet products and has a list of accredited manufacturers. After going through hundreds, if not thousands, of listings and reviews, Pure Parima is a brand that kept coming up as an accredited Egyptian cotton manufacturer that you could buy bedsheets from in the US. So I decided to take the plunge and go ahead and try it out. It arrived in a really nice box, had the entire bedsheet set wrapped in a reusable Egyptian cotton bag, and of course, most importantly, is incredibly comfortable and really smooth to the touch. As you can see from my pillow, real Egyptian cotton does tend to wrinkle quite a lot and quite easily, which I know might be points off for some people, but it is incredibly comfortable, and I think really is the most comfortable set of bed sheets that I've ever owned. And at least to me, I would much rather have bed sheets that are really comfortable to sleep in compared to ones that aren't as comfortable but may look nice and straight and easy to iron. These sheets are so comfortable that my dog started stealing them and sleeping off one of the corners that was falling off the side of my bed. So even though this is at a higher price point than the average bed sheets that you might get at a discount store, I do think that 100% Egyptian cotton is 100% worth it, because getting a good night's sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your health, and therefore one of the most important things you can do for your life. And I do think that it's okay to spend a little bit more on something that you're going to use literally all the time and is going to contribute to you living longer and living a higher quality of life. So check out this brand for yourself. Pick up this bedsheet set. I think you're going to enjoy it a lot too.